Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am sharing an amazing eye mask which is beneficial for a number of problems like puffy eyes, dark circles, swollen eyes, eye bags, etc. So without any delay, let's begin. Caffeine in coffee can tighten your skin, smooth puffiness and reduce dark circles and wrinkles around the eyes. Honey has amazing healing qualities, antibacterial, and it's a great relaxing agent. Coconut oil has a great moisturizing quality that keep our skin supple, youthful and glowing. Now all you need to do is put everything in a small bowl. And now just mix it well. Clean your face and apply it under your eyes gently using your fingers or brush. Wait up to 15 to 20 minutes for the mix to work. You can do this as you do other things around the house and then come back and slowly and gently remove the mix with wet cotton or napkin. Make sure you don't scrub the mixture, instead simply dab it on gently. You can use this eye mask twice or thrice in a week to get best results. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.